As much as I love living in the foothills of North Carolina, there's one city in this state that I love just a little bit more, and I want to take you guys to that very city. Let's go. That my mom and dad got together, basically. Well, I do have some family that lives down here. My dad's side of the family, they are from Morehead City, but my mom's side, her grandfather and grandmother have a beach house down here. They always stayed at since she was a little girl. It was just kind of ironic that my parents linked up, ended up moving back to where we live now. I've spent many summers of my life down here in Morehead and Atlantic Beach, and it's just kind of like, I've never felt like a tourist coming down here. I've always felt like just a local, or like, you know, like I was right at home. And honestly, up until I was 17 years old, I had this dream, this plan that I was going to pack up all my stuff and move back down here to the coast where my dad grew up, just because I love the city, and you know, I love the coastal life, like I love everything about it. So I really thought that that was gonna happen. And then 17 years old, I met Hunter, and I will say this, whenever I had dreamed that I was gonna like pack up all my stuff and move down here to the coast, I thought, well, I'm just gonna marry a surfer guy like my mom did, you know. And that was always my idea of what I was gonna do, and ended up marrying a cowboy that broke horses for a living up in the foothills of North Carolina. So it was complete opposite of what I expected, but I think that's how God works sometimes. And you know, I had this big dream, this big thing I was gonna go through with, and it was a total 360, like everything just turned around, and met Hunter. Now I have 2 kids, and I still, you know, obviously we come down here to Morehead every single year, sometimes multiple times within the year, just because I love it so much. And I'm still trying to convince Hunter that we ought to retire down here, you know, if we ever have the opportunity. But that's just a little backstory, and just to let you guys know, like, Morehead City has a special place in my heart, and I know it has a special place in my dad's heart too. And so we're gonna come down here, or we're gonna bust up my parents' little vacation here on the latter end of the weekend. Maybe go do some boating, some fishing, something like that. We'll see. kids kind of play in the sand. Did a little, my dad just threw the net out, caught some little minnows, and so we are headed back to the beach house, and we're gonna eat a sandwich, I guess, and just chill out. I'm kind of tired from driving today, so I just really want to chill out, and then we'll probably have a beach day tomorrow. Cheese. Cheese. Are you having fun, Sissy? Yeah. Fun. We just had a day at the beach, and so now everybody's getting showers, getting ready, and we're gonna go eat somewhere. Kind of a chill day. Macon. Yesterday we had a beach day just right there at the beach house. We just went off onto the access. Today we're out here at Fort Macon and we're gonna do a little fishing, and they're supposed to be firing off the cannon today, and it's also the same week that the Big Rock tournament is happening, so there's people everywhere. Mom and Dad just went to Chase and Tails to get some shrimp, and then we're gonna go out here on the beach and see if we can't fish a little bit, find a spot, but parking is getting filled up quick, and so I'm just waiting on them to get back, and we'll have our last beach day, and then tomorrow morning we'll be headed home. So this was a quick trip for us. My parents have been staying down here all week long, but me and the kids, we came down Thursday evening, and then, yeah, leaving tomorrow, Sunday morning. So. Alright, we made it. Got the fishing rods. We had to walk like half a mile or better just to get to this spot because there's so many people out here. There's a lot of boats too. I'm gonna start setting up a tent and we gonna fish. Setup is real. The only thing is this little joint right here broke. I've had this thing for like 3 years. It finally broke. I don't know how to fix it, but it's pinned down, I guess. Amazing how cool it is. River!
pinch me on the finger.
Wow, that's a beautiful crab.
Look like a crab.
Mama,
There he goes.
Bob.
Oh, it's a little marsh crab.
Yeah. Buddy, you in the wrong vicinity.
Oh, it's a wow. Mom, get on.
You go to
I want to pick him.
camera died on the beach, and I have left my other camera and my battery pack here in the car. So, but we finally left the beach. Didn't catch any more fish. We just kind of like chilled, packed everything up, and then we got in the car, and the city workers or whatever came through and said that we had 20 minutes to get out because they were going to close the road because they're doing a that's like a reenactment here at Fort Macon. They're doing like a, I don't know, a war reenactment, whatever. So they've been shooting off cannons all day, so now we're gonna head back to the beach house, get something to eat, and then we'll be Gucci.